Your BF1 Player application not working currently, here is something that you can try if your application is not working. First, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on. After that, you want to make sure you are connected to a secure network which is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any internet issues while logging onto the application. After that, if you are still facing problems, you want to go to your settings on General, and here you want to tap on iPhone Stories. After that, you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the BFI Player application and tap on BFI Player application. After that, you want to tap on Offload App and Offload App again. Now reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data, and the next time you open the app you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem. However, if you do face any kinds of problem still, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.